Get your credit in shape. Women shoulder the largest burden when their family is in financial trouble. 3/4 of wives assemble the paperwork for credit counseling alone, and women are twice as likely as their husbands to pay the bills and deal with bill collectors. No one wants to think their marriage won't make it, but the truth is, debt and money troubles are cited as one of the major reasons for divorce. Don't co-sign loans for a partner or spouse with a bad credit history. You could end up with debt that lasts longer than the marriage. Even if you stay together, it's important to have one spouse with a strong credit history and a low debt ratio, especially in case of emergencies. Check your credit history at least once every year and watch the videos on this website about credit reports, budgeting, and financial planning. Plan for tomorrow. Did you know that women rely on Social Security to provide half of their total income if they're unmarried at age 65 and older? In contrast, Social Security benefits comprise only 37% of unmarried men's retirement income and only 34% of elderly couples' income. Women live longer, with an average life expectancy of almost 80 years compared to 74 and a half for men. So realize that it's never too late to start saving for retirement. Start small if you must. Women can be excellent investors if they take the time to learn. If you haven't had the time or opportunity to study the stock market yet, join or start an investment club with other women. Many women-only clubs have excellent track records. It's inexpensive to get started, and you'll develop skills that will help you make better decisions about your retirement funds. Visit www.betterinvesting.org for information on investment clubs. Take care of your loved ones. A recent womenswallstreet.com survey revealed that only 42% of women have a will. What would happen to your family, your property, or your children if you died? Don't leave it to chance. If you can't afford an attorney, then at least visit nolo.com for inexpensive software that will allow you to prepare your own will. Wills do not have to be prepared by an attorney to be legally binding. Simply writing or dictating your wishes in the presence of a witness will suffice. Independent paralegal services can also assist you in will preparation. It's also important to have adequate insurance. Life insurance may be much more inexpensive than you realize. You'll also need disability insurance if your family relies on your income, because you're more likely to become disabled than to die before the age of 65. If your employer provides a disability insurance policy, consider purchasing one. If not, shop for your own disability policy through an insurance agent. So even though statistically women earn less than men, that doesn't mean you can't be successful. By using the tips in this video and the other tools on this website, you still can find your financial freedom. Thanks for watching.